This is our Crosslay trays, Minute-Man. We're going to start with the nozzle on the bottom on the right side. That will be marked. You want your bail to point to the inside of the tray, just like we're showing here. So once we start loading, everything goes start at the edge of the tray. We want one layer behind the coupling. Your next layer goes up over the nozzle to the edge of the tray. And then everything after that goes to the edge of the tray for a whole stack.
Pull back.
You'll end up with a female coupling on top of this stack, your nozzle stack. Next side, start with your female end. Measure it out, edge of this hole, leave this portion outside the tray. That will go to your truck. When you start to load, stay behind the bail enough to get somebody's hand in there. This other side, we're going to the edge of the tray. Once you hit the fourth layer, we're going to make an ear out to the edge of the tray on the nozzle side. After your one ear, you're going to come back to the original spot where you were at. Typically at the edge of this hole right here. After that, you just go straight up. Keep the folds lined up. You'll end up with the male end on this side. Bring your male end back, turn it towards your nozzle, and connect the two couplings on top. Put your connection inside the tray. This is your connection that goes to the truck, and you are done. It should look like this.